This is the question 18 number. Seeing the question from the book, I have written in this way. This is week, first week, second week. Days Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Second week Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And the values I have written in this column wise. Now next you have to write, since it is 4 days moving average we have to calculate. So here 4 days moving total, column head. 4 days moving total, you have to add these 4 values and write in the middle here. Then leave one, add these 4 and write in the middle. So this work I am giving it to you. You do this, add this 4 and write here and tell me. See, it is done. 4 days moving total is done. Next column head will be 2 points moving total. How to do that? I am showing you. 2 points moving total. You have to add these 2 and write in the middle, so that it will come corresponds to Tuesday here. Then add these 2 and write here. Add these 2, write in the middle. Like this you continue. See here, these 2 points moving total is done. Next we have to do, here we have to write 4 days moving average. So how to do 4 days moving average? This value you see, after adding these 2 we have got. Now this one we have got after adding 4. So this one after adding 4, this one also after adding 4. So this total after adding 8 we have got. So if you divide by 8 and write here, and this one also divide by 8, this one also, all this divide by 8 and write here. This one will be this divide by 8.
54.25.
What? 50?
54.25.
And the next one?
4.25.
Huh?
61.62.
So these are the 4 days moving average. Now we have to draw the graph. Now see, to do the graph, so to draw the graph of the sum, see here, you have to take one vertical line and one horizontal line. Then see here, it starts from Sunday. Let's say this is Sunday. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Again Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then you see highest value is what? Here I am seeing 75. So you take here 5, then 10, like this. See here, this way I have taken values and this way days. Now Sunday, corresponding to Sunday, what is the value? 39. So put here 39. Let's say here it is. Then Monday, the value is 36. So 36 you put here. After above 35, then this 2 point you join. Then Tuesday, what is the value? Tuesday value is here 46 or 40. It is 70.
Yes, sir.
So Tuesday corresponding 70. So go 70, it is here. So join this. Then like this you have to do. Wednesday, then Thursday value is 63. So value 63, where it will go? 63 it will go the above 60. So it is 63. Then Friday it is 71. So approximately 71 is there. Then Saturday, what is the value? Is 75. So approximately it is 75. So this is the graph of the values. Then you have to take this moving average. So moving average corresponds, first one corresponds to which day? Tuesday. So Tuesday 53.67. So Tuesday 53.67, it is coming 53, let's say here. And the next one is 59.75. So 59.75 is it is coming under 60. This one you do dotted line, and the next one continuously. So this dotted line is the graph of the moving average. So that's all.